everybody, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. And Bandita, you can hear him, he got down off the couch. This is my tree this year. The reason I picked this tree, actually I found it in July when I did the Christmas in July videos at Bronner's. It's a silver aluminum tree. Who remembers those as a child? I do. My grandmother had a silver aluminum tree with the changing colored lights, and I always thought it was so pretty. I always loved her tree. So this year I found this one at a really great deal at Bronner's. So I picked it up and wondered how it would look in my house, and I absolutely love it. Actually, I could change out a few things on this tree, and I could keep it here all year long. Because y'all know turquoise, black, and pink is my colors that I use all year long on with my business. Most of my thumbnails are these colors. Most of my anything for my business, Etsy shop, TikTok, Facebook, it's all in these colors. And I decorate a lot with these colors. I could keep this all year long in my house if I really wanted to. And I really enjoy this tree. I'm not sure if it'll be back next year or I'll go back to my green one. But we'll see. It may go to the entryway next year. We don't know. But I hope you enjoy the tour of my tree and my tree in my entryway. Thank you for tuning in. And hope you watch all the other videos in this collaboration of the Sophisticated Ladies. If it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. At Penny's Place, Tammy Thompson TV, Tabletop with Robin, and of course, I Love My Babies Forever. Go check them all out. Go check out all the ladies in the collab and in the playlist. You know I love you all. Merry Christmas. And I thank you for having a wonderful year with my YouTube family. And I can't wait to start the next new year loving my YouTube family and us learning new things together. Okay, here's my tree this year. I decided to do it in my business colors, which is turquoise, black, and pink. To start out the tree topper is a crystal snowflake with a turquoise and black tree topper bow. And of course, anybody that knows Melissa's channel knows that I love to collect butterflies. So see if you can find the butterflies on my tree. And I put hydrangeas in there instead of poinsettias. All poinsettias. I got white hydrangeas, turquoise poinsettias. I have crystal snowflakes. I have some of the DIY ornaments that I made. Here's one that I made on my channel. I also have like teardrops. I really love this tree this year. Oh, and dragonflies, of course. I love this tree this year because it has some really neat elements in it. It's both DIY and just because it's my business colors and has some really neat DIYs. This is a DIY from a friend. She did the pour over the ornament. I got that at the Crafters Convention this year. I got this at Bronner's when we were there in July, if you remember the video. I did the tree topper too on a video. I hope you enjoyed my tree. And this is my tree in the living room. The next clip is this tree when it's lit up at night. And then I'll show you my entryway tree. Little bit of gold bling on it. And here's how we decorate it. See? Here's how we decorate it. Here's the tree all done with the tree topper and the many, many layers of ornaments. In all different colors of blue and gold and a touch of white snowflakes and white roses. Yes, there's roses in there. They're just peeking through. And there's one. But I think the tree's the prettiest when it has multiple layers. And it does have a little bit of sprigs up to the top too. Seems like as I decorated those pulled down a little bit, so I may have to pull those back up. But that's our tree. This is my entryway tree. And I don't know why the light came on my camera, but okay, hope you can see the lights. This is the lights on my tree. And the entryway, I decided to do it in a navy blue and gold with a little accent of white. If you haven't noticed yet, blue is my favorite color. And I enjoyed doing this one. And I added these gold, I found these, it was in my Christmas stash. This is a garland, lighted garland. Has LED lights and little tiny gold beads. And I wrapped that around the tree, and that's the lights on my tree because for some reason, the lights on this tree did not work. But I think it's still pretty just the way it is with just a hint of these little lights wrapped around the tree. And over here on my entryway is a nativity. My snowmen, you know I love my snowmen. I paint a ton of them. The church. And my wreath. That is our entryway. Last year it was vintage Christmas. This year, I guess you would say it was more glam, a little bit more glam this year.